How to find starred templates in Canva. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to locate all of your saved templates. First, open Canva on your web browser and sign in to your account. Here I am already signed in. Next, click on the Templates section. Browse through the available templates and click the star icon on any template you want to save. Once the star icon is highlighted, the template has been added to your starred content. After starring your templates, stay in the Template section. Now, scroll all the way down the left-hand sidebar. Under Starred Content, click on Starred. If you don't see the option in the current menu, click the View tab at the top. Here, you'll see all the templates you've starred in one place. Simply click on any starred template to open it and start editing. And that's it! You've successfully found your starred templates in Canva. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Canva tips and tutorials.